Previously on Four Kings.
So you guys got the invite too, huh?
Does anyone else feel like this was a mistake?
Hello, friends!
Holy shit, where'd you come from?
Welcome to Four Kings Poker, a game unlike any other. A game of spectacle, chance, and a teensy touch of magic.
So wait, it's all of us against you?
You are removed from the game. Be gone!
Holy sh! She turned into a chicken!
This just went from Saw to the Twilight Zone.
Never cheat the house. We have made it to the halfway point, my prolific pals. I know you're itching to play another round, so shall we begin?
Well, it's not like we really have a choice, do we?
Well, we could take a slight break for you to stretch your legs if you like.
For real?
No, of course not. You'd first have to use the magic key to get out of the magic door.
Really?
Of course not. Oh my, it's so easy with you.
Saw that coming.
So are we ready to get started? Ah, looky here. 3 of a kind.
Nothing.
Same.
Nope.
Nada.
Oh yeah, straight with the king of clubs. Take that, pal.
Yes, that definitely beats what I have.
That means only one more game and we're free.
You are indeed correct. And to the winner go the spoils, a tasty treat.
See, I told you guys this wouldn't be so bad.
Can I have one?
Sure, help yourself. So good.
That was easier than I thought it would be.
What are you talking about? I just won.
Well, it really makes no difference. It was inevitable.
Oh, what the hell just happened?
Don't worry, all will soon be revealed. Just as soon as you take this magic key. No, really, it's for real this time. Then perhaps you'd like to move on to the final round.